Xiaomi has come up with a new option for tablet enthusiasts with the launch of the Xiaomi Pad 7. Positioned as an ambitious mid-range device, the Pad 7 is designed to offer powerful performance, vibrant visuals, and versatile productivity tools at a competitive price point. Xiaomi's latest tablet is a strong contender against other Android tablets, offering premium features like a 144Hz display, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, and Dolby Atmos quad speakers. The Xiaomi Pad 7 boasts a sleek aluminum unibody design, making it feel sturdy yet lightweight. We got the Mirage Purple, which gives quite a professional look. Measuring 6.18mm thick, it's highly portable and easy to handle for extended use. The display, surrounded by slim bezels, maximizes screen real estate while maintaining a compact form factor. This thoughtful design makes the tablet equally suited for streaming movies or managing productivity tasks on the go. Xiaomi has also positioned the quad speaker setup symmetrically, ensuring an immersive audio experience no matter how the tablet is held. However, it lacks a fingerprint sensor, relying instead on facial recognition for unlocking. While this may not be a deal breaker, some users might miss the convenience of a fingerprint sensor. The 11.2-inch IPS LCD display on the Xiaomi Pad 7 is one of its standout features, with a 3200 by 2136 resolution and a 144Hz adaptive sync refresh rate. The screen offers sharp visuals and ultra-smooth navigation. The 3:2 aspect ratio is particularly suited for multitasking, offering more vertical space for productivity tasks. Supporting Dolby Vision, the tablet enhances color accuracy and contrast for an excellent viewing experience. The Xiaomi Pad 7 runs on HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, offering a clean and optimized user experience tailored for tablets. Features like split-screen multitasking, floating windows, and smooth gesture navigation enhance its usability for both work and leisure. Xiaomi's workstation mode takes productivity a step further. It eliminates overlap between apps and windows, automatically adjusting layouts to maximize screen space. HyperOS 2 also introduces AI-powered tools, allowing users to write, draw, and summarize tasks more efficiently. Creative professionals will appreciate the ability to supercharge their workflow with features like Quick Note, which makes jotting down ideas easier, and 10x touch resolution for both the hand and stylus, ensuring precise input. Xiaomi's added thoughtful productivity tools such as Quick Note for jotting down ideas on the fly, and Dual App Mode, which lets users run two instances of the same app simultaneously. Additionally, the nano texture display enhances the writing experience, making note-taking and sketching feel natural. The Xiaomi Pad 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, an 8-core CPU locked up to 2.8 GHz, and built on the 4nm TSMC process. This processor, combined with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage on the higher-end variant, ensures smooth performance for most everyday tasks, including browsing, streaming, and multitasking. During testing, games ran at stable frame rates with medium to high settings. While the tablet isn't designed for heavy 3D rendering or intensive video editing, it's more than capable for the needs of majority of users. The Xiaomi Pad 7 is equipped with a 13MP rear camera featuring PDAF, an f2.2 aperture, and support for video recording up to 2160p at 30 frames per second. The rear camera works well for document scanning and casual photography. Meanwhile, the 8MP front camera with an f2.28 aperture and 1080p video recording ensures clear video calls and online meetings. One thoughtful addition is the landscape placement of the front camera, ensuring that users remain centered during video conferencing. The 8850 mAh battery is another strong suit for the device, delivering a full day of mixed usage, including video calls, light gaming, and streaming. It supports 45-watt wire charging, allowing the tablet to charge from 0 to 100% in about an hour. This ensures minimal downtime for users on the go. The Xiaomi Pad 7's capabilities can be significantly expanded with a Focus keyboard and Focus pen sold separately. The Focus keyboard features a floating design, backlit keys, and a built-in trackpad. The Focus pen, on the other hand, is a highlight. It attaches magnetically to the tablet for charging and other features like a laser pointing mode and highlighter functionality, making it a handy tool for presentations, note-taking, and casual sketches. With its premium design, vibrant display, and solid performance, the Xiaomi Pad 7 positions itself as a strong option in the mid-range tablet market. It excels in media consumption, basic productivity, and casual creative tasks, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. However, the lack of cellular connectivity may deter some users who rely heavily on specialized apps or on-the-go internet access. For users looking for a stylish, well-performing Android tablet that delivers excellent value, the Xiaomi Pad 7 is a worthy contender. It may not replace a laptop, but for work, play, and everything in between, this tablet strikes an impressive balance.